Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be rating my fidgets from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10. I'm giving this, I want to say 9 out of 10. And I'm giving this 22-inch one a 8 out of 10. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Nine out of 10 because it wants to go inwards. Ten out of 10 for this. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I know I have a few of these ones in my collection already, and I'm giving this a, I want to say 8 out of 10. I believe I have a dinosaur one. I'm unsure of that. And I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I know I have a few of these ones in my collection already. I'm giving this one a 8 out of 10 because from the pops being so soft. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. I do have the ice cream one, but not the popsicle one. But I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I know I have a shiny pink one of this with glitter into it. That is my very first Poppin'. I'm giving this one a 8 out of 10. I don't have this one yet. I'm unsure with it, if I did or not. I'm giving this a 8 out of 10, even though it's so cute. The reason why, because the pops is so soft, like when I did it. So it's going to be an 8 out of 10. Comment down below if you like the Pop-It balls or what. But I kind of don't, kind of do. So heads up. But I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. And I'm glad I have my scissors with me so I can cut the paper and all that. And just a little reminder, I will not be rating this in like one by one. I will be rating it all together. And I will be doing the same thing with this bucket as well for the mochis. And this one is the fruity 1 spoon. And it do comes like in two with everything. And I'm like really happy that I got it. So therefore I believe that this one is a avocado. Correct me if I'm wrong with it. Correct me if I'm wrong with it. There is a apple one. I believe this one is a pineapple one. And I am sorry that I am speeding with this video. I had to do this video multiple times. The reason why, because when I tried to make this video, it kept freezing up on me. Like my camera kept freezing up on me on my phone. And I just really hope they don't freeze up again. And that's why a lot of the stuff was out of the package already, because I was trying to make a video onto it, and my camera quality keeps freezing up on me on my phone. And that's why I keep like trying to speed up at this point, so my phone don't freeze up again. There is the banana one, which I do like bananas. There's cherries and short. There's 2 oranges. I believe that these ones is strawberries. Comment down below if they are strawberries. And the last one in this one is watermelon. My favorites out of it has to be the banana ones, the cherry ones, and I want to say the watermelon ones. But I am giving this a 10 out of 10 for all of them. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. And now I have the safari one. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And yes, it is like a little bit hard to open. Look at it. And just like how I did before with the last one, I will be just rating the whole entire thing, now one by one. And I will be opening up 2 bags at once instead of one. I hope that makes sense. And I will be adding them in this bucket as well. This one is a elephant, which they are my favorite animal. They are. Aw, this one's cute. It's a little squirrel. And I do like squirrels. They're one of my favorites. This one is a alligator. Correct me if I'm wrong with it. And they're so cute. Next up is the frog ones that I will be opening up. This one is one of my favorites already. The next up is the bear ones. This one is my favorite by far. I believe that this one is a tiger and all that. Correct me if I'm wrong with this. And this next one is a panda bear, and I am so happy for that because that is one of my favorite animals. And that reminds me of one of my friends. Like, this reminds me of one of my friends because let's just say he really, really likes pandas. And this reminds me of my best friend. And the last one in this one is a giraffe. Which I'm trying to move all the teeny tiny papers that's next to me. I am giving this one right here a 10 out of 10 as well for the emojis. And it's like really cute. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. And they do come in more colors than these three. Like right there, and I'm trying to get more colors for these. I really like needles, and fun fact, it was Purple Stars 02 was the one that got me into needles. Like right there, because I've been watching her videos for like a long time, and she's the one that got me into needles. So I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. And by the way, I'm sorry that you heard my stomach growling. I'm just a little bit hungry, and I did not even have lunch yet. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well, and it is my favorite color is blue-green. Comment down below if this is a blue-green, sky blue, or just a light blue. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. I'm also giving this pink one a 10 out of 10 as well. Now I know I already have this blue one in my collection already, and I'm just so happy I found all three colors. So I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. And yes, I am so happy I got all three colors of it. Like, I'm just so happy about it. And the last ones of it is my stress balls. I am saving the last one for last because I do like SpongeBob. And just like with the emojis, I will be reading them all together and not doing it one by one. I am giving all of these a 10 out of 10. My favorite has to be Hello Kitty and Cinnamon Mold. But I'm giving all 4 of these a 10 out of 10. And last but not least, my favorite ones. Okay, it has glitter inside of them. I thought it would be just with Orbeez into it, but I was kind of wrong with it. And this is Gary, Patrick, and Squidward. To be honest, I really like these ones more. And I'm giving all of them a 10 out of 10. All of them. If I have to pick one thing out of the whole entire collection, it would be the SpongeBob ones. All of them. If I have to pick 2 out of it, it would be the SpongeBob stress balls and these ones. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I hope that everyone enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.